Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 10 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Sky and the name of the chapter is The Great Ruler Shivaji. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the biography of Shivaji, how he spread his regions, how he spread his power. Dear students, in the previous class we have completed the page number 73 and 74. Those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the last paragraph which is given at the page number 74, as well as one more paragraph which is given at the page number 75. So just open the page number 74 of your English reader book and just see the last paragraph which is given. The power of Marathas grew steadily, and in 1674, Shivaji was crowned the king of Maratha at Raigad. Dear students, you all have seen that how he captured so many forts, and he also grew of his power. And day by day, the power of Shivaji grew, and in 1674, Shivaji was crowned the king of Marathas at Raigad, and he was crowned. He became the king. He was crowned. Crown means mukut pahanna. Just see here. He was crowned the king of Marathas at Raigad. He was crowned the king of Marathas at Raigad. His last and his greatest expedition was to south, and expedition means to organize journey with the particular purpose. So when he captured the area, when he captured, or you can say he the whole Maharashtra was in his control, and then he moved towards the south area. And just see students, turn the page students and come to when he died in 1680. He died in which is 1680. Just see, when he died in 1680 at the age of 53. At the age of 53, he was the ruler of a large, powerful, independent state. He was the ruler of a large, powerful, independent state. Okay, when he died and at the age of 53, he was the very powerful and very famous person in all over the India. And at the age of 53, he was the ruler of a large, powerful and independent state. Okay, students. So come to the last paragraph, which is given at the page number 75. Just see. Shivaji was the great leader and brave, fearless warrior. He was a great leader also and brave. Brave means courageous. Brave means bahadur. And you see, fearless warrior. He has not fear. He was warrior. You see, he was great leader and a brave, fearless warrior. His soldiers and his people admired and loved him. His people, those who were working for him, they were always admiring him and loved him very much. And Shivaji possessed a lot of personal charm. He has also the personal qualities. He has also the personal charms, personal beauty. You see, whenever he spoke, he seems to smile. Whenever he used to speak, it seems that he is smiling. And he had true concern for well-being of his people, and he has also the true concern, true well-wisher. He was the well-wisher of the people. And just see, he had a true concern for well-being of his people and worked hard to improve their lot. And he is always ready to help the needy people. Therefore, the people of those who are living in his company, those who were living in his kingdom, they were feeling very joy. They were leading a peaceful life there. And just see here, students, and he had true concern for the well-being of his people and worked hard to improve their lot. He had all the lands measured and fixed the land taxes. And when he come to the force, when he come to the power, he measured all lands and fixed the taxes. He broke the power of landlords, and he also broke the power of landlords. Before the Shivaji, there was the rule of landlords who were taking the taxes. But when Shivaji came into the power, he fixed the he measured the lands and fixed the taxes according to the lands. So just see students, he broke the power of landlords and thrived on the toil of the poor. Those who were leading, those who became rich because of the poor farmers, because of the poor, because of the toil of poor person, because of the hardness, because of the hard work of poor people. You see, he commanded such love and respect that the people of Maratha always ready to risk all they had for him. And the people of Maratha, they were always ready to sacrifice themselves for the sake of him, for the sake of Shivaji, because he had done so many works for the Marathas people. Therefore, the people of Maratha is always ready to sacrifice themselves for the sake of, for the work of Shivaji. Just see students, he commanded such love and respect that the people of Maratha were always ready to risk all they had for him. Song of Shivaji's bravery are sung even till this day, and the song of Shivaji's bravery is sung till the day. आज के समय में भी लोग क्या करते हैं, शिवाजी की बहादुरी के गीत गाते हैं. He remains as one of the most popular hero in our country, and he is the one of the most famous, most powerful hero of our country. Okay students, so this is all about the chapters which is given at the page number 73, 74 and 75. Dear students, if you are getting any kind of difficulties, any kind of problem in this chapter, you may ask on WhatsApp. Dear students, there are word meanings that you have to write in your copy. Okay, that is your homework. I will not write here the word meaning. You have to write the word meaning of this chapter in your notebook. Dear students, now turn the page and put out the pencil. We will also complete the exercises given in the chapter. Just see students, first of all we will discuss the chapter exercise learning words. So students, just learning words. Just say students, it is also given. You can see there is some unscramble. Some words are given that is not correct, but you have to select the letters and make a complete word. Just say students, scramble the words in bracket and get correct word and complete the sentences. Yes students, you have to choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Okay, just see here. An apple a day keeps the. Yes students, spelling is written that is not in systematic order. You have to make the word using the systematic letters. Just see, C-T-O-R-D-O-R-D, C-T-O-R-O-D. It is written. You have to make the complete and correct word. So in the first blank there would be doctor. You will fill the word doctor in the given blank. Just see. An apple a day keeps the doctor. You will fill the word doctor away. Okay, come to the next question. Question number B. Just see students. Rice is grown in abundance. Dear students, you will fill the word abundance. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-C-E. Okay. In the first blank, you will fill the word doctor. In the second blank, you will fill the word abundance. Okay. Come to the next word. Next question, question number C. Just see, students, the children were sitting attentively in the class. Yes, students, you will fill the word attentively. Attentively. Just see, attentively. Okay, let's see, attentively. Come to the next question, question number D. Smoking is to health, injurious to health. Yes, students, you will fill the word injurious. Okay, just see, injurious. You will fill the word injurious. Okay, come to the next question, question number E. Just see, the school was closed during summer. During summer, you will write the word summer, SUMMER. Okay, students, just write down these words in your book with the help of pencil. And come to the next question, question number F. Just see, students, what is question number F? We should be very careful about not contributing to pollution. About not contributing to pollution. You will fill the word pollution. Okay. And so in the question number F, you will fill the word pollution. What would be the correct sentence? You can see, we should be very careful about not contributing to pollution. Come to the next question, G. Just see, students, question number G. The earth rotates. Yes, students, you will fill the word rotates. ROTATES. You will fill the word rotates. And just see, come to the next question. Is the coolest place on earth Antarctica? That is S. You will fill, first letter will be capital, Antarc, ANTARACT, Antarctica. Okay, just see, Antarctica. Okay, students, so in the first blank you will fill the word doctor. In the second question you will fill the word abundance. In the third, attentively. And in the fourth, injurious. In the fifth, summer. In the sixth, pollution. In the that is sixth, that is rotates. That is seventh, rotates. And that is eighth, that is Antarctica. Okay, students, in this way we have completed the exercise learning words, which is given at the page number 76. Okay, students, now come to the next question, that is true false. Okay, just see, we will discuss the question true false. Just see, that is exercise number 2, that is also given at the page number 76. Just see, Shivaji was a brave and fearless warrior. That is true. So you will write the word true, TRUE. Come to the next question, question number B. What is question number B? Shivaji could be easily tricked by the people. No. So that is false. FALS. Come to the next question, question number C. What is question number C? Shivaji was forced to stop his attack on Bijapur territories for a few years. That is true. He was forced. Question number D. Let's see. What is question number D? Jijabai was Shivaji's guardian and tutor. No. She was mother. Okay. She was the mother of Shivaji. So that is false. Okay, students. So in the first blank, in the first box, you will write the word true, and in the second box, you will write the word false, and third is C. Question number C is true, and question number D is false. Okay, students. So this is all about the learning words as well as true false given in the chapter. That's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss the question answer, filling the blanks and multiple choice question. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.